If the city noise, the traffic, and the endless scrolling through vacation ideas have got you dreaming of an escape, then it's time to find your hideout, quite literally. The Keystone Hideout is built to take you away from the daily grind and drop you into the kind of trip where relaxation and adventure actually happen. Whether you're a couple looking for a weekend retreat or a family ready to claim a campground as your second home, the Hideout delivers all the comforts of home without the hassle of towing your entire house. Now, let's get into the good stuff, right? We're about to walk through everything that makes the Hideout a serious contender, from its well-equipped interior to its solid construction, and of course, we'll wrap things up with a towing reality check, just to make sure you've got the right rig to haul this beast. First stop is going to be the kitchen. Right away, you'll notice how bright and functional it is. Keystone has made sure you get a kitchen that doesn't just look good, but actually works. The deep stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet makes washing up easy, while the one-piece pressed countertop with a faux marble finish adds just a nice high-end touch. The matching backsplash isn't just for looks either. It actually helps protect your walls from the inevitable sauce splatter that's going to happen. Cold storage is no problem with the 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, giving you plenty of room for everything from fresh veggies to that road trip six-pack. Cooking is just as effortless thanks to the flush mount 3-burner range with a glass cover, which doubles as extra prep space when the burners are off and a backsplash when they're on. Need to reheat something in a hurry? The microwave air fryer combo ensures you don't have to choose between quick meals and crispy perfection. Storage in the Hideout is legit too. You're looking at solid wood cabinet fronts and full extension glides on the drawers to make sure you can actually reach the gadgets hiding in the back. If you need even more space, a lot of models come with extra tall overhead cabinets, which not only add to that residential feel of the kitchen, but also keep your dry goods and dinnerware organized. Stepping into the living area, it's pretty clear this space is built for comfort. Whether you're collapsing onto a sofa after a long day of hiking or setting up for a movie night, the Hideout has plenty of seating to unwind and relax. Most models come with a booth dinette and a sofa, but there are options. If you want to level up your lounge game, you can swap the standard sofa for a trifold sleeper sofa or even theater seats, which are one of my personal favorites. The booth dinette is more than just a place to eat as well. It also has built-in storage, making it the perfect place to stash camping gear out of sight. Lighting sets the mood, and the LED lights throughout keep things nice and bright, while blackout night shades make it easy to shut out the world when it's time for bed. Speaking of comfort, Hideout's 15,500 BTU ducted AC system makes sure you don't spend the summer sweating. And for those who want even more cooling power, some models offer 50 amp service with the option to add a second AC unit in the bedroom. When the temperatures start to drop, the 30,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heating ducts keeps things nice and cozy, because nothing beats the feeling of warm floors on a cold morning. All right, let's talk about the bedroom, because we all know a good night's sleep makes or breaks a camping trip. The spacious bedroom area features a queen bed with underbed storage, and thanks to gas struts, lifting it up is completely effortless. It's perfect for storing extra blankets, pillows, or really just about anything else you want to keep out of sight. Keeping your devices charged is easy with built-in outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. Most models even come with TV prep, so if you want to binge watch your favorite show from bed, you can set up a screen with no hassle. Storage is a strong point in the Hideout bedroom. Mirrored wardrobe closets flank the bed, while overhead storage totes provide even more organization. And there's even a smart little feature. Every Hideout comes with a built-in laundry chute, so you're not tripping over dirty clothes halfway through your trip or just having a mess all over the floor. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll find that Keystone didn't cut corners here either. Every Hideout includes a porcelain toilet, which is a serious upgrade from standard plastic models, because not only does it feel more like home, right, but it's just way easier to keep clean. The decorative tub surround features built-in shelving, giving you space for toiletries, and the shower skylight adds extra headroom and natural light. Hot water? Yeah, it's no problem, of course, because every Hideout comes with a Gerard tankless water heater, so you can enjoy long, hot showers, especially if you're hooked up to city water. And for those who like to go off-grid, the 54-gallon freshwater tank means you've got plenty of supply. A mirrored medicine cabinet provides storage for essentials, and the power exhaust fan ensures the bathroom stays fresh and steam-free. Outside, The Hideout exterior is just as practical as it is stylish. LCI solid step entry steps provide a sturdy, wobble-free way in and out, while the power awning gives you a shaded space to kick back and enjoy the outdoors. Storage is generous, with large exterior compartments and heavy-duty stabilizer jacks keep everything rock solid when you're parked. The power tongue jack makes hitching up easy, and the 12-volt distribution box keeps wiring organized and accessible. The tinted safety glass windows help keep the inside cooler by reflecting heat, and at the back, you'll find Furion backup camera prep and a full-size spare tire, because let's be honest, right? Nobody likes getting stranded. Around the corner, there's an outdoor shower with hot and cold water, perfect for rinsing off muddy dogs or sandy feet. And let's not forget the black tank flush system, a small but crucial feature that makes maintaining your RV's waste system a whole heck of a lot easier. Solar power is already in play with Keystone's Solar Flex prep system, allowing you to add solar panels whenever you're ready. Plus, the lithium-ready 12-volt converter means you're set up for lithium battery upgrades if you want to maximize your off-grid power. Now, before you start dreaming about your first trip, let's talk a little bit about towing. The Hideout ranges from 26 to 37 feet in length, with dry weights from 5,500 to about 8,000 pounds. And if you're looking at one of the lighter models, sure, a Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or Jeep Gladiator can probably handle the job. But for those thinking about an SUV, something full-size like a Nissan Armada or a Dodge Durango can tow the smaller Hideout models, but just be sure to check your trim level and of course check all your weight ratings. When it comes to the heavier Hideout models where dry weights creep up past 7,000 pounds, you're going to be in full-size truck territory, right? Like a Ford F-150, Nissan Titan, or Chevy Silverado 1500 is the way to go. And if you're planning on towing through mountains or steep inclines, stick with the truck to avoid overworking your transmission. If you're unsure about your vehicle's towing capacity, or if your owner's manual met an unfortunate late night involving a spilled milkshake, just stop by a Camping World and let them figure it out for you. And heck, while you're there, you might as well take a Keystone Hideout for a spin. Happy camping, everyone.